Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and we are still rolling in the challenge of making that $1,000 a month. So everything is going good. I am happy for the support. I love you so much. The turnout is amazing and I don't want to lie, the revenue has changed from compared to June. It has changed. Guys, I'm in my mother's place, so there are toddlers here. Forgive me for the noise that is happening in the background. Yeah, I am here for laundry and I'll start with sorting it out. It's not huge, it's moderate. I actually had two loads, and in the beginning I thought I will make it with my own hands, since the previous week I did it with my own hands, but I thought otherwise. And when I'm sorting it out, I realized I was gonna get more tired by bending and hand washing. It was a lot for my hands. It's not a lot, but for my hands, yes, it was a lot. So I had only two loads for the day. I am putting that mat down there for some prevention of water spillage. I don't want to find myself cleaning the whole bathroom because of the water that I made just around the machine. Guys, I am so lazy. I can't be having to clean the whole bathroom when I still have a lot of things to do, like going to my place to hang my laundry. This is a fitted sheet and I'm just going to take it straight to the spinning tub because it's bigger. I cannot put it in the bucket and again transfer it to the spinning tub. So I just said, okay, let me just take it straight there. Already the second load is done and I am draining the machine in the meantime, because if you can't drain the machine, the second load will not spin dry. The tub there will not work. I don't know what is happening, but yeah, I have done rinsing the second load. I am ready to go and dry it the other side. Fast forward, we are here. I came back and I am ready to hang. So the washing line, I already wiped it. If you see that pink cloth there, it's the one that I used to wipe it, and each line I wipe it twice. The dust that comes off from there, and even the birds sit there just to relax themselves. So yeah, wiping it is essential. And the day, like you can see, it was super hot. Washing my laundry, it didn't last on the washing line also. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.